So hello again. Now we are starting our first part, the history of Java. That is in the introduction of Java. So, as we, as what people don't know that much is, Java was never intended to be what it became today. So Java grew out of a system called Sun Microsystems. It was supposed to build a personal digital assistant. That was a PDA at that time. It was called Star 7. A PDA, if you want to know what it is, it was intended to control all electronic devices in our homes. So so it needs to be driven by language, such that various pieces of hardware, e.g. televisions to toasters and fridges, could work together. So the language that drove the 7 star was called OAK, OC. That was named after the tree. The main designer was called James Gosling, and outside his window he would always look at the oak and wonder, oh my god, this thing looks really really nice. So by appreciating nature, he developed a language called oak. But after a while, the attempts to sell the technology, such as digital TV setup box, which was coming in that time, but it was manual, it fell through. It did not work out. So it was the buyers decided to sideline the hardware development, but they decided to promote the language itself on the internet. That was as a tool for providing online multimedia. This, at long last, helped to development of a program that would run on the internet using HTML pages that provided the basis for the www, World Wide Web. This was began to achieve the widespread popularity. That was nearly 1993. So the first graphical web browser was built with the HTML, and later it was renamed to WebRunner. So Hot Java came in later, and unlike other browsers that existed at that time, Hot Java was a browser in 1992, 1993 to 1995. So it was able to run small Java programs known as applets. At the end of this tutorial, will be coding applets with you. So it was able to add dynamic content to largely static text and images that were previously made possible. So HTML only had static website at the moment, and HTML really looked bad at that time because you'd only find static. But try to imagine static at that time when programming was just beginning. It was nearly the first one of the programming languages, and Java came in with dynamicity. PHP came in later, which people are using nowadays a lot, and Python, which is now being largely embraced. But you have to know that Java was the first. Java is like the mother of this. We can say C++, but C++ is like a mother of Java, and Java came in better, easier to learn, and after a while, you know how the name Java was gotten. It changed from Awk, not only because it was already registered name. So Java is named after the strong Java coffee popular in United States. Though other names that were really considered were like Neon, Lyric, Pepper, and Silk. Since those early days, Java had matured into an industrial strength language. Server and Portuguese. Sorry. I my cat was really disturbing me down here, so I had to chase it down. So what I was saying is Java at that time turned into a really strong industrial language, which was used for different editions for desktop servers, portable devices, and a huge number of application programming interfaces. Those are APIs for different applications. That is, now from the humble beginnings, a lot of companies, a lot of hospitals, a lot of organizations used Java. So you guys, thank you for listening. I hope you listened until the end. It's really good once in a while just to know where a language started from. And I'm sorry I've not moved anything anywhere today, so I hope you had